guys, welcome to my first video. Today I'll be doing a get ready with me just for an everyday makeup look I would go for. First step into doing this is obviously choosing the right music. I always like to moisturize my lips before I put on any makeup just because it gets very dry in Calgary. So you want to make sure you stay moisturized. Next I will be applying my Josie Maran organic moisturizing oil. I have eczema, so this is really perfect for my skin. Now I am applying the Born This Way Too Faced foundation. I am mixing two foundations, light beige and natural beige, to get the results I want, just because my face is pale and my neck is darker, so this kind of helps it look a little bit even. To contour my face, I am using the Tartiest Pro Glow palette in Shade. To highlight my face, I used the Tartiest Pro Glow palette again, but in strobe. Next, I'm using my Anastasia Dip Brow Pomade in medium brown. I will first outline my brow and then quickly fill it in and brush it. I am a huge perfectionist when it comes to brows, so right now I am using my Too Faced Born This Way light beige foundation to clean up the edges of my brows. Now I'm going to quickly highlight my brow bone and my inner corner with veneer from the Modern Renaissance palette. Okay, let's get back to work. Now I am applying my Stila liquid eyeliner in Intense Black. And this is the final look, guys. I really hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, please give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe. And that is it. Bye, guys.